Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. 4x5 black and white film. Well, I made a print from black and white. This is for commercial a long time ago, a bread company. Well, newspaper open advertising. And I have this image, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. And also I made this image colorized last year. On this, I don't remember that was a Fresco or Procreate app for iPad. That's sure. Well, these three images I'm gonna use this time, and hopefully I'm gonna make something interesting, impressive image. Well, let's get started. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna check changing blend mode. This is pencil drawing type. Change blend mode normal to, let's see. Well, this is color burn. Pretty nice, huh? Getting better. Well, I'm gonna try something like illustration type image. Yeah, pin light is pretty nice. Yeah, luminosity is pretty good, like an illustration image. Always, I like this. Well, why don't I get this one? Okay, now I'm gonna fix this image one layer. Okay, select multiple, 1, 2 layers to make this image. Now duplicate layers, then merge selected to get one image on this. Now it's a normal blend mode. I'm going to duplicate this, then one of the top, change to multiply, goes darken. This is pretty dark, huh? Well, just merge down. Keep one image, one layer. Now I'm gonna make, let's see, I'm gonna turn off these original shot and the colorized image. Then I got this base image, also the pencil drawing type. I'm gonna move this pencil drawing type image top of this image I just made. Okay, then I'm going to change this pencil drawing type blend mode, luminosity to bring back to normal. Now we see only the pencil drawing type image. Then, well, since I got nice pencil drawing type image, okay, I'm going to make mask, create empty mask. Then I'm going to reveal with, let's see, dry media. Dry media to pastel square. I used this one. That was pretty nice. Hide this pencil drawing image, so we're gonna see that some color image underneath. Go down about 70% first. Now I wanna, let's see, background color, huh? Okay, I'm gonna add layer underneath of this layer in between these two. Then I wanna put, since this is Fresco, we have watercolor brush here. So Okay, watercolor, wash flat. Well, nice bluer Let's try this first. Well, I have mask here, so now turn it off so we see the image here. Just play around. Okay, we go back to this image, pencil drawing type image, then turn it on. We just want to get a watercolor image. Well, let's see if I change this blend mode. This background, not much attractive, huh? Okay, just tone down. Soft image, about 60. Yeah. Now I'm gonna go back to pencil drawing type image. Then I'm gonna hide some behind. Now same brush, pastel square. Even though I used the watercolor brush on this layer, but mask is hid by dry media type brush texture, so it's not that different feeling, huh? It goes same well, nicely. Now I got the soft touch colors. Well, pretty much nice, isn't it? Okay, now let's see. I want to show this base image some shadow area, so I'm going to turn on this image. Then now I'm going to make mask on this. The image I made just combined to luminosity image, right? Okay, create empty mask. Now I'm going to hide with, this time I'm going to change the brush to basic to soft round opacity. Well, yeah, I guess I should use same brush, huh? Otherwise textures. Yeah, use the same brush. Recent pastel square. Change the size. Yeah, that looks good. Makes sense, huh? Because this is, I guess that's nice to get same kind of texture on. Well, sort of illustrations. Now what I'm doing is hiding here to show this base image, right? Well, this is pretty much a little bit different than the originals. Let's see, turn this one off. This one to make it more illustration type image. Now we may reveal some more to make it more, a little bit more contrast, huh? Black side goes darker. Well, I guess pretty much done. Okay, now I got really illustration type image from that base image. Alright, thank you guys. Well, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video. I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea to make something using the blend mode and using the mask And well, I really appreciate for you guys support, and thank you again. You guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.